we don't watch the game. And not we want watch another page. I think if you check all the pages and we stream them, we get the highest numbers of viewers. We watch them. I think at one point we almost get like 2,900 people watching at the same time. We know say some of them, now we neighbor them where we play, now they self be the watch with we. The game done. You will get opportunity for watch. And in 4 days time, we dey play Liberia again inside Salone. Wetin you think say na be the problem? Wetin na be the problem? We not draw this game or we not win this game? Wetin you feel say we supposed for fix for meet up September 8th game where then they go play inside Sierra Leone? Now we own stadium. Waiting. You get idea? Or you feel say when they go Salone then they go beat we the back? Now so you feel? Or you think say we able for fix them problem then they where we spot today? Some people say na the midfield. Some man say na the defense. Some man say the keeper he be try, but that last goal they say enough for be don't come out. Some man say na the ref. Say the ref back be there against we. Some man say no, na the lines back be there against we. And the ref then say because of that second goal. Because of the second goal. And say even the commentator talk and say, you know, see, no side way then get contact. Some man say the lines because that elbow with the elbow kai camera now before the linesman, but the linesman not do nothing. So, what thing you think about the team itself? Again, for do with preparation, were they prepared? Because some man they say the team lack communication. The players them not able to communicate. They're not able to connect to one another. Is it late preparation? Or now did God go away? The FA being get now you know make the able settle fine. Waiting we feel safe for able fix. Is there any quick fix to it for fix this system in 4 days? Make them able to win the game in Salone? Or make we just relax and say, you know what? Then just go beat we again. Una we can they argue for Manchester United and Arsenal and all those other team them. With una pointers them and everything. How una feel say this game where you look today? Salone able come back strong. Some man say the technical team have get beaucoup work for do. Some man say the coach be relaxed too much. So if you want list all waiting people and they says, well, it's like the entire team was not ready for today game. Because if the coach self gets a blame, the technical team, the defense, the midfield, the offense, and everybody, then what's happen? This is Leone Stars. We're for able to pick the best team inside Sierra Leone and out of Sierra Leone. And make we fly the flag high. When they say national team, it means say all man we concerned by football business. You dey pick the best. You can't put them. But picking the best, playing, now then different side them, it different from playing now a national team. Because then different side then they didn't tap. They don't use to the information then they don't use to the players them. But coming for a national team, then they take from different sides them, then can put them together. Then say una play. For say they not be able to train together, make them understand themselves. Because some man they say there was no connect, no communication. So let's open the phone line before I dive in too much. Let's give opportunity to people them. Make we call and make we discuss this. In 4 days, we get for host Salone. We get for host Liberia inside Salone. Waiting we supposed to do. For make we go beat Liberia inside Salone. You get opportunity now for call and be part of the program. Yes, caller, you did live on here. You name and side the call from, please.
Yeah, this is Ayo, the call from US.
Yes, Ayo from US. You watch the game. What do you feel we need for fix for meet up in 4 days the next game, sir?
Well, the most important thing we need for fix right now is the cohesion. Then they have to fix most importantly the midfield. Because if there is no midfield, the defense will suffer. You know, as long as they can control the midfield, the defense can't stop the onslaught because they attack them. You know, so they need to fix that midfield. You know, control the midfield, stop them people away from penetrating the midfield. If they control the midfield, then the defense will be able to relax more. Then the up front guys, then the forwards, then can try their best for at least get goals. But remember now, this Leon Star, not the Leon Star, where you can get people like Mazzola, George Floyd, Buba. The guys, they play pro football, but when they come, they were committed, then they play, you know, you say yes, then they put effort, then they win. But this Leon Star, they just get a new coach after all this Yaba, then the players then come from Europe, some come from Europe. There's no coalition. All man they playing young. So because they do the X's and O, but in the end result, the players on the field, they have to be extra committed to make sure they search for the goal all out. Sometimes the referee will be in your favor, you know, or referee will miss calls. But you know, VAR no day. So you know when you say, okay, the referee or do this and do that, you know, it goes both ways. The young players themselves they create some foul, kicking people and things, you know. So they never put the blame on the referee. If they score a genuine goal, the referee will say no. They need to score. You know, that's the bottom line. They need to try and score. They should have tried to get 2 goals at least in the away. They can go now and try to at least get 1 more goal home, then they play defense. But, you know, but you don't see them, if they blame the free, you get to play, man. You know, you get to play. So, I hope they will do better when they go back home, you know. But they listen to other callers then.
All right. Thank you very much, Ayo. Yes, caller, you live on here. You name and who side you call from?
Yes, I call from France. I mean Sequence.
Yes, Sequence. You don't watch the game. What do you feel say we need for fix for meet up the next game?
Thank you very much, sir. And the game so fine because from your side we be lack the midfield player that way for all the ball and able distribute the ball and one. for the officiating side, the referee pulled the game totally entirely. Because for me, the Lone Star play, for me, the game for the end 1-1. The only goal Liberia score, we missing a genuine goal line at the last goal. We are blame Zumbu as the goalkeeper. That all man can make mistake. But the 90 minutes of the game, the referee then pulled the game all to the penalty, all to no fear. So we just look at and say African football. I feel sick while they watch the game. The Bobo them play. Back you watch the pitch of course with the Bobo them play. That pitch is just compare like any practice field and salon. You know what I mean? The pitch not fine, but you start play well. We keep because na 2-leg match. We only need for fix certain things in place. Maybe more give the Bobo the match fix.
What's in other certain things then they will need for fix now for meet up the next.
Well, game. Now the certain thing we see we find out say the Bobo they not gonna physique compared to the Liberia man there. They lose ball. Then we get for train with Bobo they made them old ball. And football are two things involved. You forget the physical appearance, if you forget the idea how for player. But player then get the idea, but they're not gonna have physical appearance. Anytime they lose the ball, and we all side, the coaching staff, they know the team up and communicate with the Bobo them. You see, we all learn certain problems and they'll get for foot in place before we can meet the mania. And furthermore, trust me, AAA, if we not begin take that because Opunga then at the field, it look in the how Opunga will operate at the field. That referee na Benin Komona popo country. We don't give him $5,000, make the game win this game. Because the 2 penalty there, enough forget the penalty there. You understand? But when they pray say, when we say we go host to game, now we host them, when we call the official there, we tell them, nothing for do. This is Africa. We don't hide and get nobody. Because if now Europe game play so, trust me, that referee is very easy, don't find them or they don't do another thing. Because you self watch the game, everybody watch the game, go no send 2 goals and they enough for below the penalty. So that's my own contribution that one day. May God give you a victory next time.
All right. Thank you very much, Sequence. Tonight, Sequence low go arrange with them, but hey, we go talk on that. Yes, caller, you dey live on here. You name and who the call from?
Yes, so Tripoli na me Arun.
Yes, Arun. Wetin na you own take on the game and what you feel say we need for fix for meet up the next game?
Tripoli, I feel bad. But we salute, for we Lone Star performance. One thing, coordination, not been there at all. Then number 2, they not get stamina. They all, none of the way you show some kind of way for say where you be player, you get stamina. They lost standing. You know, and if at all football nowadays, if you don't get them quality, then you are nowhere. Any kind of thing we'll get for do. If it be to say, then get for train them with player then now. The best way they for do, they for make let them gain stamina. Look how they pull them ball, they ball them. Then they put them so easily. It give up. Look like that back man for the 3rd goal. Lazy. They not show any strength. Look the guy way meet and that forward. You the say now it's strong. You know, so waiting them for do let them try for train them for let them gain stamina first before ever that football day. But they lost everything. They're not able to kick ball per that goalkeeper and not believe say they kick any street ball we go miss that goalkeeper day. Nothing. So I dey pray if at all anything they will get for do for love, we go able to bring that in there up. Although not go blame them because they been done lost that day for years. Liberia, they play ball during that period, and they will just we don't lost our politics, don't put everything that we had. So if at all these are the first car where they come, we'll not go blame them too much, but at least if it be to say they get for do something, they get for go through then small step, then they for gain stamina, they for really focus, not to for go begin they go make here, like for say now that here they get for play, but because most of them are so bluff, not to for say really they put some kind of strength into this particular game here. So now that no more get for say. Thank you, Tripoli.
All right. Thank you very much, Aaron. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and who the call from?
Mina Suleiman Conte, aka Raptag. I call from Italy.
Yes, Suleiman from Italy. You watch the game. How you feel say we need for fix we say for the next game?
Papi, me I watch the game. The game is just like any Sarai and Momoranta movement to me. Because I don't know how I day right now. I don't know how I feel, you know. Because one, you see, Salone, every time they play match, we don't talk till, we don't tire. Every time they play from another country, we be say they not reach with standard. For let them play we lost we match from there. You understand? One, we team will get lapses inside the football team. We get lapses them. We before say the only too big. And when you watch the game, it's like say that one great man dey inside the match when I Sierra Leonean. When I way before say the guy na attacker, then they can attack, then they go play midfield, then they also with a Kai Kamara. Also say are the favor or any other team. But for them, we play the match, let them back shame. Let them know say inside 11 people now, one good person in the sea. Then the referee will be say it's the African football is still DBN at the team and Nandi. That is where they say whether I come from Benin Republic, whatever. And we see some certain thing and the way they happen inside African football. I believe say the African football get union, it get team. Where it be say the African football for go the union go to look out to them thing and they what to make the referee do this. They need for the question the referee, the referee not going to do something like that done, they left no more. The next referee come and the same thing back in the follow.
Yeah, well, I'll wait until the game just done. Let we wait. Let we see if anything will come out by the referee, and then we can able for say yes or not to so.
Yeah, we go wait. We go wait and see. But me, I believe say nothing will come out behind it because if we say successful, we will go play first. We lead at the owner demand there. Then I want first.
Okay, well,
now.
No, let's just stay with the soccer.
Let's just say, no, you know, some certain thing.
No, now the soccer will they stay on today, please. Let's just stay on that.
Yes, the soccer. Yes, the soccer, okay. Now they get for deal with that referee because the two penalties was not fake.
Okay.
That is obviously not fake. Now, me, the only goal I see.
The last
goal.
All right.
The last goal. That
okay, thank you very much, caller. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Then I say before they go, I want to send it to that goalkeeper. That goalkeeper, when I saw lapses, because everybody knows every day, everybody can shine inside the pitch. But please, you get for learn from that. You understand? Because he would have forced to incommode. We go punch that ball. He would have forced come out, they will come out, he do fine. But this second way come over national lapses. Yeah. But anyway, we will pray God if the man and come back now we won't go on. No sure they say yes. We're not the land of diamond and gold.
Okay. Thank you very much, caller.
Okay.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. Yes, caller, ID live on here. Your name and who the call from?
Tripoli, good afternoon, nobody. Mina Colenso Pete, I call from Sierra Leone.
Colenso Pete, you're welcome on board, sir.
Yes.
Yes, after this game, sir,
yes,
what thing you feel say we need for fix for meet up the next game?
Actually, there are a lot of things that we are thinking for fix up. First, all man don't talk about the referee. The referee, it totally messed way up. The only goal we feel saying a real goal, na that last goal day. This caller we just done, he talk about the keeper. The keeper that come out where he come out so a Hamburg that kind punch where he go punch so and I make that goal they go inside because Kai was the only guy where assisted in the pressure the Liberians. We not get formation. Italic for say Salone, I don't know how for put them, but we know they learn. Liberia, for where the game begin, we're not thinking with them before between at all. We've been the play past them. We the play now no more say we then come back in a tongue so. The boys then will put more effort. The technical team, the coach was just sitting down. the technical team then get a lot of work for do. That referee, somebody talk and just not saying a winner Africa. If now Europe, any sign of Europe, that referee, this kind of ref, then go find them. But as I say, we just say pray God no more say we then come back now. So it will be a difficult task for we, but
because the time so short now, 4 days no more. Imagine now just 4 days. How you feel say we can able fix make at least we need, because now we get 2 goals against we in their favor. So I think now we really if not Drosef will be in draw, or if not be that 2-1 will be keep them. But now that 2 goals we get against we get from Monawi.
It really get from Monawi. Because now we get for play for get 3 goals. It get for be difficult a little, you know. But the technical team, I just don't know waiting for say, but we hope no more say. Then they see how the guys then play. People then they say the guys are not the play, but me feel say these guys and then they do well. Kai was extremely outstanding. Make the other guys then put up more, you know. The preparation was not very well, but then get some time with them practice, because Mr. Bini watch the Nayas with them in the practice. It just been saying we play against the ref, we play against the lines, so we play against the crowd and everything. And God will make we say who can so we don't see it in the happen. We go support we boys them. And now that's what they pray no more for.
All right, thank you very much, Colenso. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, my brother. It's been a while.
Yes, I know. We must catch up one of them this year. Thank you.
Okay, brother. Yes, sir.
Yes, caller, you there live on here. You name and who side you call from?
Me na Alusan Sherif. I call from Texas.
Yes, Alusan Sherif from Texas. What do you feel say we need for fix for meet up with next game?
Well, actually, the team actually, because like if you see that, you consider the time we Salon with all football, the team played impressively. But there are certain things that the team actually need for work on, we are not see. Because you don't say what we watch football. When United they play, or Arsenal they play, or Barca they play, however in Barca, Arsenal change their coach, but a particular system where they know they change. You don't understand, eh? The Salot team not be play with system. In the system where body one side, all the rush go there. Now, Salot need for develop a particular system where they go to play. We see that game they play, so you know, see that Salot ball they play, which I not see. So the coach mostly a job now for maybe pick either for play, first half, either for play, second half, best selection a day. Coach more on selection. But the technical side actually did for me able to construct the team, let the team play constructively. We are not seen at the field. The team they play, they don't really play bad ball compared to the way Salon Bidol left football. But they actually need for play with the system. They want thing again, they will home base but they will try for the give a chance. Most of the players they will call international players, most of them are bench day. You see, like that Bundu Boboso, that will be performed very well. It really performed. You understand? So now that's how it's here for them.
All right. Thank you very much, Sheriff. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, caller, ID live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
I'm Elijah S. Moses calling from Liberia, to be precise, Monrovia.
Yes, sir. Waiting now your own contribution on the program.
Yeah, my brother, I'm very sorry to play. I'm just leaving from the field. Actually, our Stallion brother, they were really having hope to see how best they can go back home with 1-1s. But unfortunately, there was blunder coming from the coach. So I hope before they go back, we should be able to settle and see how best that victory should be certain for Stallions from now to Sunday.
All right. Thank you very much, caller. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. But it was very, very disappointing, my brother. Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yes, caller, you did live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, my name is Brahma. I call from New Jersey.
Yes, Brahma from New Jersey. Waiting, we need for fix for meet up with next game.
Yeah, people will tell you thank you for the forum. Well, no, too hard on the boys. Them, we still get hope. Although we get to work on all areas, but the defense, the goalkeeper, they get for be consistent. If for know when and how we come out, how we for punch ball, they get for know that then get for go do that intensely. The goalkeeper and the defense and the midfield, all departments can get for work hard, but we can do it. But again, we not for too hard on them because we not play football for a couple of years. So if we look all Lentin in the background to all Lentin in the only game to me, therefore be saying like a Sierra Leonean coach, somebody who be in a salon, who at least if you watch all what the league with the play this couple months say the league done. We need now salon coach for be the best person. But it don't be so now, but at least for this short then couple days here, they need for go back and the playing field. That's not the only thing they need for do. Go and work hard as a team. We'll get go for do an affiliate. We'll get that 2 goals for goes through. But they need for work hard. Then the last thing they have to say, we need to get VAR. We need to get VAR. The VAR the day I don't believe say some of them goals and they for me. I accept them. So we need to get VAR. Although that I don't say you need money or anything, but we need them. But they need for go work hard. We can make it. Now 2 goals we need. We can make it. They need now hard work no more. Let's continue for listening.
Okay, thank you very much, Brahma. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, caller, you did live on here. Your name and who you call from?
Hello?
Yes, you did live on here. Your name and who you call from?
Yeah, Lamin Bangura from Norway.
Lamin Bangura from Norway. The game done. What do we need for fix for meet up next game?
Well, what do we need for fix for the next game is like, as when I don't listen to some of the other callers them, like when they say the midfield, yeah, it be a little bit shaky, but it's like, how I watch the game, and tell me watch them through AYV, I don't see like when they show the referee, I don't know, how the movements, now the line, how we try for inspire the players them for them wake up now the field,
The referee and or the coach or we own coach?
The coach, sorry, the coach. Right. We own coach. So I don't see them the movement for try for wake up the players them are waiting. But really they try. But as when some of the callers they blame the keeper, the keeper in timing to the last goal, it be so late, but then for be understand, according to the defender, if for be understand, see, it's like the field is so bad, for be wait for the keeper, like when they feel so bad, you just get for clear the ball, put onto safety at once, not wait for the keeper, because you watch how when you watch, you see how the ball beats, towards the time when it be the cam, the ball be don't slow, because the defender try for lock cam for there, the keeper come for the ball, but the keeper in time will be so late. But really, then try. But in the return match, waiting my contribution to that for let them go able try for tell them and determine because they not play bad really. They get for determine and try for and we get for do one thing because when you watch the ref, then when the ref in Africa, it's like when the ref now, for example, with this ref I go ref sooner like bigger, it's like if where one call be talk say they don't get money, I'm not fixing money. It's like now so they get the ref now Africa. When they go ref now one home, they look they scared. So now then they go for do back for try for overrule the referee for let go there now we side. But they get for talk to the players, the more for let them determine because if they determine I feel say they get for wake up and try for do waiting in the Liberia players and do. So I feel they will learn from that. Yeah. So thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much, caller. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yes, caller. You live on here. You name and who the call from?
My name Kawa. I call from North Carolina.
Yes, Kawa. Waiting Leon Stars needs for fix for meet up the next game.
First, at the start.
I want all you under quick. Your background look noisy. Yes. I don't know if you can dollar or you commode.
Okay. Yeah, I will move from the. You don't clear now, right?
Yes, continue, sir.
Okay. The goalkeeper has been very good than I want because how you not for criticize right now, and the goalkeeper outstanding the whole game we play. Waiting we for try for do right now the game we don't lose. First of all, we players have been look fatigue. They look weak. I don't know, probably they're not been trained better. They're not been get too much fitness. Now, one player at the Liberia team, William Cole, that Johnson guy, the spray down here white, that guy was everywhere. I mean, we not be get somebody aggressive like that, like Johnson and the captain. So, I mean, game, if you want to win them, una before aggressive, a little bit, not for say una for play foul, but aggressive una the mark, but they look like fatigue, they look like they're tired. The team will not be really, really get coordination, will not be get like, say now this formation and the play or now this, or I think the players they don't understand. We not play as a team. We play as individual players. Like Kai Kamara, they isolate them. When you don't isolate big player, you know they play. You're not going to do anything until that coach. I know the coach get a lot of work to do within these 4 days. If I wish this coach they listen with you, they talk now. He get a lot of work to do within these 4 days. If you see a player isolated and a big player, try to do something, change formation, or change that player. I believe I'm the only contribution that. But Leo Star will not before go down like that. A draw before them better for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, caller. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Make we count with we favorite. Although na economist, I don't know I go and can do the analysis now. Yeah. Yes, Usman Toli, what you are laying at table? What do we need for fix for meet up the next game, sir?
I know say my colleagues can say not only one goal way na genuine. But me what I see, I think say 2 goals and they way official and genuine. One of the penalties where they score official and they genuine. Now only that first penalty official that goal they
But the second penalty, nine people and they doubt because even the commentators say you don't see any contact, but that second penalty.
Well, what you see, I feel say now the first one I did contact no day at all, but the second one, a lot of other people and believe say na penalty, but na issue where people all not getting your opinion on that. But I feel say na the problem there. So if actually, we want to do well in the next game, the thing is, one, we don't get system. And like one of the callers is saying no more, we need to get a system. Football now, we the player and they go on plan on the table and all that. So we not get forget a system. And what's in the system? One, we not get for the communicate. There was no communication, connectivity not been there. And as the other callers then say, you look like the guy that don't get stamina. Whether because they're not been getting enough rest before the game, would they expect say, at least football these days now stamina. So always as a coach advise and make sure say you players then rest at least before the game they play. And also we don't see a lot of side coaching. We see all the watch football in the country. The side coaching very important. Says that need a help for coordinate the team, and would that be missing completely in the team? And the thing is, Sierra Leone, according to I think FIFA rating, I think they rate we higher than Liberia.
Yes. We did 114, then they 152.
Exactly. So how comes then guys they're impressive throughout. They impress me throughout. So they need for improve that side coaching as well. And the pitch, again, not good. But you will ask yourself, that pitch where you see so, that, is it better than we all? You will ask yourself. But however, then it boils down to the fact, say, we'll get home advantage because the guys are not used for playing the national stadium. So we expect, say, when and go, we will get our home advantage there. So that pitch outside, I feel so we will sort down the out, And again, when we talk about the ref, the ref in Africa, not only in Africa, the whole world, they always, get teamwork in the favor. So I doubt very much if we appeal, whose side and go, can we go? You know, we don't say one or two malpractice take place, but an officer, you know, you just get for do what you get for do, you know, because where a clear goal arrives, just like that we go to score clear. So there's nothing we will do for damage our goal day. So just get for try for day on top of day. Yeah, and you know, most of the guys them back, no look at them, although we don't make all their criticisms, yeah, but most of them guys are new to international football. You know, no member say Salon no been play international football for a very long time. In fact, after suspension, I think I would force international match this. So they need a lot of things for land. So Lord give them kudos, Lord we just encourage them, you know, and there we let them learn. And the coach said let they watch and learn from what they happen at the field, and then try for make sure they go out of the field and tell them the mistakes them, let them learn for communicate each other, let produce a strategy system where they would play with whether they say 3-4-3 or 4-4-3 or whatever, then stick to that system. You know, that will help or bring that coordination we're missing at the team. But overall, we will say kudos to the team. And that's my first say. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Usman Toli. Overall, we will say kudos to the team. But some man go say kudos with 3-1. If we be done left under 1-1, we make an the okra soup, or make an the krinkri, or the tola. That one they for be done better. Other people and they say still na home advantage. Salon. But I believe say we suppose for able for fix whatever it is, even though it look like say the term very short. For make we fix that. Say we able for get we midfield together, get we defense together, get we offense together, get the technical team together. Some man say them be too overconfident. He say I make the Liberia players then be determined all kind way for win this game. I remember we be talk on that say we know say Liberia them president now. Na man we be don't reign inside football na the world. So he not go just one left arm give Salon just like that. So now I make you go see say the Liberians them is like each player na two man na the field. Whereas we own players them they were not there in terms of system and formation. So because of that, we get the result where we get. Some man they talk say, na the coach not be there for ginger the players them. And some man they say, even though when you see some players entire inside the field, the coach still not make changes. So some man they ask say if the coach not know the players them. Because if he know the players them, he go no say no, it's high time we pull A and put B. It's high time we pull D and put F. Again, what I be saying? If you watch this particular team, it's dominated by players them from the diaspora. 16 na 23 man team. 16 players them na from the diaspora. The rest na from Salon. Ustem then be able for fix this team together. For make this team go face Liberia. But We don't see waiting come out inside the Liberia game. You go say them play well, definitely. So, waiting we want for we next game? Waiting we want? For we next game? Where we all don't talk. Technical team and the coach. Technical team and the coach. We not go once again in 4 days time, the 8th. We will go Kanaya again for watch the game. We end up with disappointment. Because the game will they play so, now get for qualify we for the group level. We will get for play now for qualify for World Cup 2022 na Qatar. Liberia now, they get a good standing. They get 3 goals in favor, 1 against. So we give them 2 goals advantage. So if we for qualify, we need 3 goals. And Liberia not for score nothing. So if they score 1, we need 4 goals. So imagine that. Is it possible? Let me see this caller. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and who the call from?
My name is the call from Beirut, Lebanon.
What's in your contribution?
Me, I not very much to say because I watch the game. The only thing they try for them, so they give the home base player them chance. Not for every team no more. Now, but the diaspora them because like 90% now the diaspora them. Let them go to the home base them back. So then I blame the referee, but the referee not be there on the table. But me not say we win the match. And inshallah, we then go to Salon by the grace of Allah. I hope we will get success by God's power.
All right. Thank you very much, my Binti. Thank you. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, me name Mohamed Bangua. They call from Maryland.
Yes, Mohamed Bangua from Maryland. What do we need for fix for meet up the next game?
Me, what you have seen at the game? I believe say the bobo them just like how you say be the try for highlights the bobo them the system, you know. That's not one of the thing, but the bobo them forget them kudos because of it just happens in like 3-4 days, 5 days they meet up for at least able to assemble this team. Then moreover, wait till I see back again. The Liberians I not believe say them for be beat with this game if the referee not for be interfere for the match because the 2 penalties then we then get through. Trust me, I watch the game and me say I don't play football. I see them ball and they just like couldn't see home advantage and the referee involved and I believe there's something happened between the ref and the football management in Liberia. We all know that. So me waiting me this guy for say Salon get for team up Tranga for that return leg day. You know what I mean? At least let them say put the house in order. Then the ball then they play anyway really then try. Because at least for let them come to one, then kind wait and they after all this ban, then not be the play to themselves and then be get that kind waiting the inside them, then at least. I don't know what me see. The only thing the government here for put strong hand inside this football business, at least for let the football go get for push for we because the ball then determine and Salon must qualify. I believe that. So now that no more me get for say.
All right, thank you very much, Mohammed. Thank you. They come now with sports reporter, the man himself, Daniel Oldfield. Make he can tell we what in think about this game. Yes, Daniel, you get the platform.
Well, Triple, thank you very much. You see, we, the campus will be like the worst time for we can make any assertion and for criticize or condemn anybody. Difficult as it could be, we will not lost and feel happy. But as a seasoned sports reporter, we yourself know but people the list me so know. The first one we go for do we look sports now for congratulate President Weah, the Liberian team, and even the entire even the coaching staff of Coach Butler, the head coach, and the entire coaching staff and the players. Because when the team win, we get for say congratulations, and then you prepare now. You begin plan waiting go wrong. The bottom line is not to me even my own style for begin attack and condemn the team we lost. Leo Stars for that matter. The only thing me the senior coach, head coach Salastete, and in technical team of Musa Kalon and Amidou Karim, we then play for Leo Stars, and the rest of the other team they just get for go home now today or tomorrow. Then go rectify the pitfalls of the team. Because the team day of individuals they seriously lack cohesion. And because of that tactical finesse no day, the team that are individuals. But they get the strength, they get the what you call it. Then the players, most of them are professionals there, right? But they don't get that tactical cohesion as a team. And I can tell you, waiting on that, a little worried. Now, two things. The Liberia team, not only fluke side, they are not a fluke side at all. Now, team where they play very well. Because like them players, Sam Johnson are in captain where they up front. They play for Real Salt Lake in America, like the MLS. I don't want to, don't play several times. He's a very fine player. You go that player, they were good. So as such, I go look for the team where they go, the Leo Stars technical team, go work with them players there. Kaikama not do bad, the player they not do bad, but like in 10 minutes they scored 2 goals. That is not good for a team for qualify. And as much as I had pinpoint till Leo Stars go lost, but the only team where I a little worried because again, what teams can go play in a salon as somebody on the cover sports in a salon long time will not have the support in a salon.
I want only one quick, Daniel. No, I want only quick. Yeah. We have to fix something here. Even though, yes, you know, as a reporter, you know, one cast blame or waiting, but we still say definitely there are some problems then they will, if we be avoid them, we not forbid the talk with you, the talk delicate today. So waiting and then highlight and the way you go give to the people them way responsible for fix this thing for meet up in 4 days time for me to play Liberia again. And not on next week, on Sunday. Na Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah. So waiting. This is one thing. This is one thing. Go ahead.
No, what you feel say we need for fix?
The team get forget. They get for plan the team. The team get for be properly planned. They get for go together get coffee meetings for plan who side and go wrong because the middle will not be the final say come out because the team now they not get enough planning. No plan. They told them in the fed for Musa Tumbo and suspend Kaikama. All that in the Liberian team they train and play 3 friendly matches where we no get. So all that in a pitfalls. That makes us say now the team it all let's you don't go play friendly match meet up Sunday. Now this game now whether you qualify or not qualify, we'll get other matches to play now from the Nations Cup in Cameroon 2021. Right now all is not lost. Only the season go lost. But the bottom line is Triple. We see people like you not play ball. If I don't see the team not get the cohesion where it deserve, and as I can tell, I be a team day of top player them. We get a lot for do. I not get guarantee. I not get no guarantee. See them people that don't know go score because in that 2-1, it was obvious that Leo Stars can score 1. They gone, but now with that 3-2. With that 3-1 it's difficult. It could be very difficult. One, the expectation was so high on the player there.
We get any player we go able Ola Johnson because then I look waka pa we.
No. Waka pa we terrible. It makes sense if I now see with them page talk say they not for allow player like that because that guy where I don't want in game then 2-2. A waka pa we proper. So I don't know. Because like that last goal, the way the keeper and Zombo wouldn't go and Zingili wouldn't go tumble themselves. They just virtually work a go score. You never got possibly they stop and completely. Oh well, me, you don't tell I watch Leo Stars game. You don't tell how I cover them. I don't know who that can go put for work with Zingili and that defense because there were lots of lapses. The clearance not been proper. The midfield not been too bad, but then get for prepare the middle for meet up the attack. Because the middle will get strength. Because at the middle they synchronize with the attack. We ain't not been there too much. The players don't get time for play among themselves, so they don't understand themselves better. The tactical cohesion not been there. So these are some of the points they put. And then again, if you hear the loud noise that stadium, Princefield Stadium, they don't go to almost for go cover match for Leon Stars, for Lions, for it gets a rule for play people. I can tell you this for free. If I don't say even president, where that means they gladly pass the spectators themselves because it don't play big time football. Where people don't go play in a salon, you just say more. Hey, will you score? As you see them score, you match don't quiet. Then they again are motivating factor. I know that they go play for the player, but that's the help. And they help a lot. As I can tell you tactically, I don't know now who that again they will put under, but that boy there is a dangerous player. And you lose not only one self. That about self was called Mohamed Sangari, where they play for Newcastle. Now that dangerous player, he is just 20, and he play pretty well at Newcastle. So then two players, then they get somebody who go hold them. They need to get somebody who hold them. Even the guy who scored the first goal, that Friedel. Now find Gabriel team a very fine team, and they count out for nothing because they don't play so many. They don't play three friendly matches. They don't do together. They get cohesion. We now will not get time. Passway arguments with the pan coach, no coach arguments with the pan Kaikama, no Kaikama. But all landed, I'm not for go beat Bush about. Who they still got what I don't do enough for. Just come together now, motivate them players there from tomorrow, Friday up to Saturday, and see if they can come together and build a formidable. They can still score 2 goals and beat Liberia. I can tell you for free. All is not lost, but optimistic, cautiously optimistic that we'll be able to pull them. Trust me, that's my honest truth.
All right.
You add to that.
All right. Thank you very much, Daniel. Thank you, sir.
We'll talk more on Saturday.
On Saturday, yes, definitely. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we don't get somebody who will go corner for some heads up.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and once again, thank you for what you do, AAA, what Sarah Network do, and let us not lose hope. Let us just get to motivate the people. I will put on my page. Let people not cast the team out. Let us not cry them out. Let us just hope say things can change on Sunday by the grace of God. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah. Well, that's Daniel Oldfield when I was sports reporter. Now I don't can give you update, even though if you one side no for if one cover say because in a reporter the side and but we no say demand and play because waiting do you don't say they no play so, but again we get 16 people and we come on at the diaspora out of 23 and the rest now from Sierra Leone. So when people and they say formation or the communication or the players are not able to connect to one another, well, maybe this is not the reason. Again, the coach, a lot of people don't say, they don't be seeing themselves in the line for the ginger the players them. Say you go yonder, you can or what not. But we still have an opportunity. The only odds here, we we get 2 goals in between we. So then the 9 and 1 for the big odds and we get for clear. If we for qualify for going at the group stage, we need 3 goals. And Liberia no for score nothing. Liberia make 1, we need 4. They make 2, we need 5. By this particular game, we'll get for meet up with the Nasalon on Sunday. Everybody don't learn at table. How we feel say this go happen. At the end of the day, when you want to look at him, you go say, hey, the time too short. But let we see waiting go happen. Some man go say, well, it's high time they look inside this coach back again. Because even in appointment one be get small to go. But you know go say na one game you go fire coach. Let we wait and see. Let we see how many friendly match then go able to play as a team after this game. Because this one, we just keep our fingers then cross. If na be draw, we be draw. Definitely. Definitely, if na be draw, we for be hope say, but they can't deal with them. And we need all the players them for make everybody put the effort in this particular upcoming game. So that at the end of the day, we go come out successful. And we don't begin getting names them for people them we interested on the meet and greet na salon first week in January. Meet and greet. Sierra Network meet and greet. First week in January in a salon. If you're interested, send me a text. Send me a text if you are interested. We don't begin get people them. We're interested already. We don't begin contact we. We get first week in January 2020 in a salon. Sierra Network meet and greet. If you are interested, send we a notification through text. Now the numbers that we can announce. Just send we say yes, you're interested. So when we begin for plan, we go get you in mind. And I want to let you know say now we dey plan them. We will say we go did it, now we get for plan them. Now we get for choose the venue. Now we get for choose how we want them and everything. So please, let us know it stay last minute before we begin. If you know say already you don't buy tickets, then you know say you get for Dede. Unless if the dates way you did Dede maybe enough for within we own, then we can understand that. And Bambi say where I can send the text. The numbers the way we can announce number, the United States number, the Salon number, the UK number, whichever one somebody send text on. We go receive them and we go reply the person back. Then we, when the time reach, we all can arrange how we want this thing for go. Not forget say the sponsorship for go now the province. We don't left until after the rains. We left until after the rains. I make we not come back again. But that's until what they do. But we just want to wait to make the rain season done. Then we can come and arrange that. I think say na then few announcements here day. We go there back tomorrow. Make we can see how we go carry on. But for Leon Star, we tell them thank you for waiting them do. And we they hope say come Sunday, then go make we smile. Then go make we smile. And I want to say, even though if we not qualify self, but they need for beats there. But then you know, but they need for make we smile. Everybody, they're all. And we were this salon, we need for support, we need for go to stadium and show these people that we can support our darling Leon Stars. Salon, sabi get name themselves darling, oh, the darling old thing. I don't know. They make in love at them, they need glady. The mama, oh, the picking them, they make himself, they not the glady for the picking them. But hey, it is what it is. We know say, come Sunday, we go able for deliver. Yes, on Saturday definitely we go talk about the game. I go try as best as possible for get one of them officially. I don't know, maybe then we'll say then they make for wrap up for the game and this and that, but we go fight anyway. Even if not to Saturday, even within 10 days, I wouldn't turn back. Let's find if one person can talk to himself, if not short one, it not go bad. But we'll go there back tomorrow. Till we meet again tomorrow, Triple S, Tata.